One should know how to distinguish between significance of spiritual practices and blind faith. पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य. बुक टाइटल परिष्कृत आध्यात्म हमारे जीवन में उतरे. Sophisticated spirituality should seep into our lives. The medieval period distorted the real sense of spirituality, and an attempt was made to achieve the godly world through material temptations to the god. As the humans are made up of earth, water, and air, it was assumed that even gods have the same form, and so are their desires. As tradition of offerings had begun in the places of worship in the form of food, clothes, money, etc., and it was all belittled to a mere give and take transaction. The original idea behind creating the sculptures was to create a model in our mind, to give us an aim in life about what we have to do to be like them. We should lead a lifestyle like them, behave like them, eat like them, think like them, lead a life like them. The significance of sculptures was to act like a model, and we all were supposed to scale up our lives based on that miniature model. As an architect or an engineer always prepares a model before any big construction. Hence, the idea of sculpture was precisely based on this principle. On the contrary, a practice of offering to the model itself started instead of accepting them in our lives. Glad to present a book that brings out the real meaning of spirituality and how it can be embedded in our lives. Few excerpts from the book. The river Ganga flowing out from Shiva's head signifies that the thoughts flowing out from our mind should be as pure and continuous. The moon resting on Shiva's head signifies that our head should be calm and we should have a balanced approach in life. A garland of skull hanging around Shiva's signifies that we should always be aware of the fact that our time here is limited. We should always keep in mind that one day we have to die. The snake around his neck signifies that we should always work for the upliftment of the downtrodden, backward, and also for the evil minded, with the feeling that we can always change their thought process by extending love and compassion for them. Topics covered in the book: distortion during medieval period, what do we want to be in life, true God of today's time, our spiritual heritage.